Did you know that 10,000 Greek soldiers once had to fight their way home across 1,000 miles of enemy territory after their leader died in battle? In 401 BC, Prince Cyrus hired Greek mercenaries to help him take the Persian throne. But when Cyrus died at the Battle of Canaxa, these warriors were trapped deep inside the Persian Empire with no way home. That's when a young aristocrat named Xenophon stepped up to lead them. What followed was one of history's most incredible fighting retreats. For over a year, they battled Persian armies, survived freezing winters in the Armenian mountains, and fought through hostile tribes. Local governors tried to trick them, but Xenophon kept them moving. Finally, after months of desperate marching, they climbed a hill and saw the Black Sea. The soldiers shouted, "Thalassa! Thalassa!" meaning, "The sea! The sea!" They had made it home. Xenophon later wrote about their journey, creating one of history's best military adventure stories and proving that Greek warriors could conquer anything.